Testosterone. Get moving. Resistance training, like lifting weights, is especially effective in boosting testosterone. But even if you're not into the gym, regular physical activity like running, cycling, or even brisk walking can make a huge difference. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing, so embrace the struggle and push your body to grow stronger." Let's break this down a bit more. When you engage in resistance training, your body releases growth hormone and testosterone. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are particularly effective because they work multiple muscle groups and require a lot of energy. If you're new to weightlifting, start slow and focus on your form to avoid injury. And don't underestimate the power of consistency. It's better to work out regularly, even if it's for shorter periods, than to have sporadic, intense sessions. Let's not forget about alcohol and smoking. Excessive drinking and smoking are surefire ways to lower your testosterone. Moderation is key here. A glass of wine every now and then is fine, but if you're hitting the bottle hard or lighting up frequently, it's time to cut back. Remember, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit, as Aristotle, another great philosopher, would remind us. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Alcohol can increase the conversion of testosterone into estrogen, the female sex hormone. It also impacts your liver's ability to break down and remove excess estrogen from your body. So, while a beer with friends is fine, binge drinking is a big no-no. As for smoking, the chemicals in cigarettes can directly damage the cells that produce testosterone. Not to mention, smoking is terrible for your overall health. It's a lose-lose situation. Finally, we have to mention exposure to environmental toxins. We're surrounded by chemicals that can disrupt our hormones, from plastics to pesticides. Try to minimize your exposure by using natural products whenever possible and avoiding plastic containers for your food. Live in harmony with nature, as the Stoics advocated, and take control of what you can. To expand on this, many everyday products contain endocrine disruptors, chemicals that can interfere with hormone production. Bisphenol A (BPA), found in many plastics, is a well-known culprit. Opt for BPA-free products and avoid microwaving food in plastic containers, as heat can cause these chemicals to leach into your food. Pesticides on fruits and vegetables can also be problematic, so consider buying organic produce when possible, or thoroughly washing non-organic produce. All right, to wrap things up, let's recap the main points. To stop killing your testosterone, manage your stress, eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, moderate your alcohol intake, avoid smoking, and minimize exposure to environmental toxins. It sounds like a lot, but making these changes can significantly boost your testosterone levels and improve your overall health. Remember, the Stoic way is about resilience, discipline, and wisdom. Apply these principles to your life and watch yourself transform. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus have provided timeless wisdom that can help us navigate the challenges of modern life. By adopting their teachings, we can cultivate a strong mind and body, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Stay healthy, stay strong, and until next time, take care. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for every guy out there: testosterone, the king of hormones, the elixir of masculinity, the juice that keeps us strong, confident, and full of life. But here's the kicker. A lot of us are unknowingly killing our testosterone levels every single day. Sounds scary, right? Don't worry though, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's sabotaging your testosterone and how to stop it. And guess what? We're going to take a page from the Stoic philosophers to guide us through this journey. So let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone primarily produced in the testes. It's responsible for developing male characteristics such as muscle mass, bone density, and of course, that deep, manly voice. But testosterone is more than just about physical traits. It's crucial for your mental health too. It impacts your mood, energy levels, and even your ability to focus. So, protecting your testosterone levels is basically protecting your quality of life. Imagine trying to go through your day feeling weak, tired, and constantly distracted. That's what low testosterone can do to you, and trust me, nobody wants that. Alright, now let's talk about the silent killers of testosterone. Number 1 on our hit list, stress. Yes, the modern world is full of it, and chronic stress can skyrocket your cortisol levels, which in turn plummets your testosterone. It's like a seesaw. When one goes up, the other comes down. Marcus Aurelius, one of the great Stoic philosophers, often spoke about the importance of tranquility and inner peace. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. So, how do we combat stress? Simple. Find your zen. Whether it's meditation, practicing gratitude, or just taking a chill pill and watching your favorite comedy show, make time to relax. Your testosterone will thank you. Meditation might sound a bit woo-woo to some of you, but it's been scientifically proven to reduce stress. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If thoughts come up, just let them pass like clouds in the sky. Marcus Aurelius often meditated on the nature of life and death, finding peace in the impermanence of things. He said, "The tranquility that comes when you stop caring what they say, or think, or do, only what you do." It's all about training your mind to stay calm and not get swept up in the chaos around you. Next up, poor diet. You are what you eat, and if your diet is full of processed junk, your testosterone levels are going to suffer. Avoid foods high in trans fats and sugars. Instead, load up on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These are great for your testosterone. And don't forget the protein. Eggs, lean meats, and fish are your best friends. Remember what Seneca said, a sound mind in a sound body. What you put in your body directly impacts your hormone levels. Think about it. Your body needs the right fuel to produce testosterone. Imagine trying to drive a car on dirty, low-quality fuel. It's not going to perform well, and neither will your body. Let's dive a bit deeper into the diet aspect. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and mackerel are particularly beneficial. They help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and yes, boost testosterone. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also great because they're high in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in testosterone production. And don't forget about the humble garlic. Studies have shown that garlic can increase testosterone levels by reducing cortisol. So next time you're cooking, don't skimp on the garlic. Now let's talk about sleep, or rather, the lack of it. Sleep is when your body recovers and produces testosterone. Skimping on sleep is like shooting yourself in the foot. Aim for 7, 9 hours of quality sleep per night. And no, staying up late, binge-watching TV shows doesn't count as quality sleep. Epictetus taught that we should prioritize our health and well-being to fulfill our duties effectively. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Let's delve deeper into why sleep is so important. During sleep, particularly during REM, rapid eye movement, and deep sleep stages, your body produces the most testosterone. If you're cutting your sleep short, you're depriving your body of the time it needs to produce this vital hormone. Try to maintain a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime because the blue light emitted by phones and computers can interfere with your sleep cycle. Another major factor: lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle equals low,